Hello and welcome students to the next video of English literature. In this video, we are going to read our next story, that is The Pied Piper of Hamelin. This story is written by Robert Browning. Originally, this story was in the form of a poem, a child narrative poem that was published in 1842 under the dramatic lyrics under the Bells and Pomegranate series. So let's move further and read and enjoy the story.
The Pied Piper of Hamelin. A long time ago, there was a small town on the bank of a river in Germany. The name of that town was Hamelin. It was a very beautiful town. The houses of that town had pine shaped roofs. Pine shaped means conical, that is, in the form of cone. The roads were paved with stones. However, despite of all, the people of the town faced a big problem. The problem were rats. Yes, the town was infested with rats. There were lots and lots of rats in the town. Infested means full of. There were rats everywhere, in the house, shops, schools, and every nook and corner of the town. Nook and corner is an idiom which means at every spot. They would eat bread at the bakery. They would jump into pots of soup cooked for dinner. People were so worried that they decided to meet the town mayor. They gathered at the mayor's office. The mayor and his officers listened to their stories. They discussed different ways to get rid of the rats, but at last could not find a solution. The following morning, a stranger came to the mayor's office and greeted the upset mayor and his officers. He wore multicolored clothes, a bluish feather on his cap, and a bright smile on his face. He carried a strange looking flute as well. The stranger said, I have heard that your town is infested with rats. What reward will I get if I get rid of those rats? The mayor was amazed. He could not believe that he was being offered a solution for a problem whose solution they could not find since so long. The mayor replied, You will get 10,000 gold coins. The stranger smiled and got out of the mayor's office. The next morning, when everyone woke up, they heard a strange music. The stranger was playing this music from his flute. Soon they saw that rats came out of every corner and were following him, enchanted by his music. The piper controlled the rats with the tune of his flute. The man started walking towards the jungle. The, an excited girl shouted, Look, the Pied Piper! Everybody was delighted. Soon the Pied Piper disappeared into the jungle with the rats. Finally, their problem had gone. There were no rats. The people rejoiced finally. Then afterwards, the Pied Piper came to the mayor's office and demanded for his reward. The mayor cheated him and gave only 500 gold coins and asked him to leave. The Pied Piper looked angrily at the mayor and walked out without saying a word. He pulled out his flute again and started playing it. This time he was playing a different tune. Soon, to their surprise, the children of Hamelin started following the Pied Piper. He walked out of the town along with the children and disappeared into the mountains. The town folk began to cry. The Pied Piper had taken their children away. The mayor realized that he should not have cheated the piper and given the promised amount. He searched out the piper. He was sitting by the mountains. The mayor apologized. Apologized means to say sorry, and said that he would give the promised amount of 10,000 gold coins and requested him to send the children back. The Pied Piper said nothing and walked away. He returned in few hours, but this time with all the children. The mayor handed him a bag containing the remaining gold coins. The Pied Piper took the bag and went away. The Pied Piper never came back and he was never seen again.
गलत हो गया. I hope you people have liked the lecture and enjoyed the story. After listening to this explanation, read out the chapter again for better understanding. Do keep learning and stay safe at home. Thank you.